In Procreate, it's possible to use 2 or more pictures and create a collage. What I've got here is a picture of some ivy and a picture of a castle that I got on Pixabay. I got them both on Pixabay. And what I want to do is nestle this castle into the ivy. So the first thing I want to do is cut out the castle. I'm going to use the freehand selection and draw around the castle with it. And let's speed this part up because it's really boring, but you'll get the idea. Okay, now what I want to do is get rid of the little spaces here. So I'm going to tap on this remove, and I'm going to draw in here, because we don't want that, and we don't want that. Of course, other pictures will have more of that, but we've got this selection here. So I'm going to click on this little heart, and I'm going to do a plus on selection. And then I'm going to come over here to invert. I'm going to invert that and go to the heart and click selection again. So now we have the selection with and without the castle. And what this will allow us to do is I select without the castle and I clear this. And that was not without the castle, that was with the castle. There we go. And clear. So now we've got the castle here, which if we move into position above layer 2, we've got it right there. But now, how are we going to get it into the ivy? Let's change the opacity here. I want to go way, way down. And I'm going to decide where I want it to be. I think it would look better if it was nestled in here. And to show you what I'm talking about, I want the castle to be nestled above that line. So we're going to go in here to layer 2. Well, actually, let's go into layer 1. We'll minimize that. Let's put that one up. And we're going to do the selection again. And we're going to follow this line. And of course, you'd be a lot more careful. And follow those leaves there. Let's clear that. Turn that off. And now let's mute that down. And I'm going to actually follow these leaves. There we go. And we will add that one. So let's bring up the opacity on this. And I'm going to now move this down. And let us select this area. And we'll do a clear. And this area over here looks really funky. I'm going to just erase the parts of the castle that don't fit in there. All right, it looks a little funky there on the right, but you get the idea. You now have a composite picture, which you can do anything you like. This tutorial was because someone was asking how you could combine more than one picture inside a letter. So in this case, if you had the letter A, you can see I'm real expert on how to draw letters. You would then be able to poke pieces of the castle and pieces of the leaves outside of the A and other pieces on the inside of the A. So over here where it looks funky, you don't even have to worry about that for this particular instance. I hope this helps you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.